Many gardens hide a secret ingredient that starts as dusty gray powder. This forgotten material can boost flowers, vegetables, and even fruit trees. Stay tuned to learn how wood ash, a simple leftover from fire, might transform ordinary soil into a place where plants thrive. Wood ash is a gray dust left after wood burns. It holds important nutrients that can help many plants grow. People have used it for centuries in home gardens and farms, sometimes without knowing why it worked. This powder carries calcium, potassium, and small amounts of other elements. When sprinkled on soil, it can improve conditions in subtle ways. Its effects may not be instant, but they often become clear over time. Many gardeners value wood ash for its ability to support healthy stems, colorful blooms, and sturdy leaves. Wood ash is alkaline, which means it can raise the pH of soil. Some plants, like tomatoes or peppers, thrive in slightly less acidic soil. Others, such as blueberries, prefer a more acidic environment. Because of these differences, it is important to check how plants might react. Too much ash can make the soil too basic, causing problems like yellow leaves. A small sprinkle is often enough to achieve the right balance. Gardeners who watch their plants closely can decide when to add more or when to hold back. Calcium is one of the main nutrients found in wood ash. It strengthens cell walls and helps plants stand up straight. Potassium, another key part, aids in the growth of flowers and fruit. These elements do not replace all fertilizers, but they can fill gaps in the soil's natural supply. Some people mix ash with compost to create a richer blend. Others add it directly around the base of certain plants. Each approach can work, as long as the total amount of ash remains modest and well distributed. Farmers and gardeners in the past often saved ashes from fireplaces or wood stoves. They scattered it on fields or garden beds, noticing that crops sometimes grew better. Today, research helps explain these observations. Minerals in the ash feed plants over time, and the change in pH can help certain species grow stronger. However, modern experts also warn against using ash from painted or treated wood. Such ash may contain harmful chemicals. Only pure wood ash is considered safe for gardening, and it should be handled with care. Wood ash can also act as a mild deterrent for pests like slugs or snails. A thin ring of ash around a plant may keep these creatures away. The ash feels rough and can dry out their bodies. Yet, rain or watering can wash it into the soil, so it might need reapplying. Some gardeners find this trick helpful, while others prefer more reliable methods. Ash is not a strong pesticide, but it can assist in keeping certain pests at bay without the use of chemicals that harm beneficial insects. Before using ash, many people test their soil to understand its pH. This information helps them decide if adding ash will be helpful or harmful. Soil test kits are sold in garden stores, and local groups offer testing services. Knowing the soil's needs can prevent overuse of ash. Light, even layers are best. Clumping ash in one spot can raise the pH too much in that area. Gentle mixing with the topsoil allows roots to absorb the nutrients. Watering afterwards helps the ash settle, reducing the chance of it blowing away. Though wood ash can improve soil, it is not a cure-all solution. Gardens flourish when they have proper drainage, rich organic matter, and a diverse mix of nutrients. Adding ash should complement, not replace, compost or other amendments. Compost still provides nitrogen and builds soil structure in ways ash cannot. When ash is mixed with compost, the result can be more balanced, offering plants a wider variety of essential minerals. Some gardeners apply ash every few weeks, while others use it once or twice a season, depending on their observations. Gloves are often recommended when handling ash because it can be drying to the skin. Some individuals also prefer wearing a simple mask to avoid inhaling the fine dust. Storing ash in a metal container with a lid helps keep it dry and prevents any leftover embers from causing accidents. Once the ash is cool, it can be kept for weeks or even months, ready for occasional use. People who heat their homes with wood often have a steady supply of ash, giving them a free resource for garden care. Those who use wood ash wisely observe that plants may become more vibrant over time. Leaves appear greener, flowers open with brighter colors, and certain vegetables produce sturdier fruit. Results vary depending on the soil's starting condition and the types of plants grown. A careful approach is key. If a plant shows signs of distress, like leaf discoloration, it might be best to pause or adjust how much ash is used. With patience, most gardens can benefit from this simple addition that connects the warmth of fire to the cycle of growth. Wood ash completes a loop that ties together nature's elements. What begins as a solid piece of wood ends as a soft powder that helps new life. When applied with thought, it serves as a gentle ally to gardeners who value sustainability. This practice blends tradition with modern understanding, proving that a humble practice can have lasting impact. Many who adopt it gain a deeper respect for the interplay between fire, earth, and living organisms. In this way, wood ash stands as both a reminder of the past and a promise for the future. This concludes a closer look at how wood ash can become a surprising partner in garden care. By reflecting on the simple power of this leftover dust, many discover fresh ways to enrich the soil. Though often cast aside, wood ash continues its quiet journey from fire to field, carrying the promise of new growth for the seasons ahead.